What's up, everybody? It's Gary here from SaferWholesale.com, and today we've got special guest,
Matt.
And Matt, how much do you weigh?
About 320 pounds.
320 pounds. We got the Move It 9000, and today he's moving around. And one cool thing about this product here is, again, it's got a lot of power, and it also has the remote. So now, watch this. Check it out. I'm moving him around. He's got his hands in the air just like he don't care, right? That's it. Again, the Move It 9000, we can make them run into whatever we want here. So again, check it on out. It's got all kinds of power. This one here, again, it's got all kinds of features on it. A little horn. You've got your speeds here. You can make it go faster or slower. That's it. Air-filled tires in the back. See, now it's on, like, you know. There you go. Now it's on like speed mode. Check it on out. You can easily move it. Go forward. There you go. Check it on out. Call us now if you guys want one. In stock today. Again, nice powered heavy duty motor. 500 watts total. Reversing it. Or again, you've got the remote right here. Check it on out. You can make it go forward, back, side to side. We'll leave it at that. So long, SaferWholesale.com.